Hello guys, my name is Reed and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to learn about OpenCV in Python. Now what is OpenCV? So if you don't know what OpenCV, you can go to this thing, opencv.org/about/. So OpenCV is basically computer vision and a part of machine learning, and it has many machine learning algorithms. And if you don't know what the machine learning is, you can just say you can just compare it, teaching a machine something, simplest way. And it has more than 2500 optimized algorithms, and it can be used to classify human actions, videos, recognize faces, identify objects, and so on so on. So before we start OpenCV, we need to go to the command prompt. We need to go to command prompt right here and write down pip version. So this is the command to know the version of the Python that you're using. So as you can see that I'm using Python 3.9. Be sure to use Python 3.5 or above, otherwise it doesn't work. So next we are going to download the OpenCV Python library. So I'm going to do this command pip install OpenCV Python and enter. As you can see that mine is already installed, so it is saying that requirement already satisfied, so I don't need to do. And you can see that we are using by OpenCV 4.5.3.56, so that's good. Next I want you to install pip install media pipe. I'm going to use this later in the later part of the course, hopefully. So let's just download this. This is already installed, so requirement satisfied, blah, blah. So this is good. And then I'm going to open my VS Code, and this is a basics.py, and I've created a folder here, a new file here, and there are several pics here, videos here, so that's good. So yeah, uh, in this for this tutorial I'm going to use this pic, okay, and this pic, so because this is pic of a face and we're going to use it for this purposes. And so let's do it. So first of all, we need to import the library CV2. Then we're going to do is we want to pass a variable. Let's call it img is equals to cv2 imread. Imread does is that it reads the image. So within this we have to give the path of the file. So for me it's this one. Now for those of you who don't know, or can't find the path of the file, path of the file is basically the location where your image or your video or whatever is saved. And if you can't find the path here, just go here and right click and just do copy relative path. So that's done. So next let's go to displaying the images. So cv2.show. Next we have to do is we have to pass in the name of the window where the image is going to be displayed. So let's call this image, and you're going to see what is that. So display the image, and then cv2.8key, which is basically the delay, and 0 means to display forever, so we're going to do that. I want to close after seconds. Let's just play this thing, and boom, there we go. And as you were saying, that name of the window, image, so this one is the image, this one is the image. So yeah, just open this and press anything, and that's done. Next we are going to learn how to read you know uh, uh, videos. So let's do that. For cv2 and pass in a variable known as cap, is equals to cv2 dot video capture video captures, then pass in the file, the path of the file. So this is, I want to use video to mp4. Next is to create a while loop so that it runs over and over again. So that's done. Then give success that img, and this is the main variable. Okay, so just remember that is equals to cap dot read. I want to explain you each and everything. First, let's do this. v2 dot show, then let's call this video, and then pass in the ing and create the stop command. It's called stop command, whatever. And then back. What it does is basically that we are going to a variable which is capturing the video using the command video capture. Sorry, cv2.video capture, and is capturing this video right here, and that's good. And so next is we are putting a while loop. So which is when true, it's going to give this image which is reading the image read, and then we're going to display this image right here using the video time show. Now this command you don't need to you know understand it, just memorize this command, this if command, just basically to break out of the loop. So that's good. So let's run this thing. As you can see that it is running here, but it's very fast. The frame rate is very fast, so in order to reduce that you can just increase the wait key right here, and let's run this. As you can see that it slowed down a little bit. Now if I press Q, it's going to stop. So that's the thing. Now if you want to display your webcam, you can use this thing. You just need to change this to 0. So 0 is your first webcam. You can just play this too. This was the first lesson. Now hope you guys like it, and do remember to subscribe to my channel, and you can just go to my website as well. It's a good website and it has got plenty of things here. Got feeds for our members. You can just log in as a member and create groups here, and so many stuff, and discuss about various things. Forum where you can post your own blogs, and that's it guys. Hope you guys like the video.